Student, yesterday we have done exercise 5.2 till question 3, right? Today we will do, I will start with question number 4. Clear? Statement is, which term of the AP is given, it is 3, 8, 13, 18, ... is 78. You have to tell which term of this AP is 78, right? Which term means you have to tell the sequence of the term, means you have to find n, right? At what number, at which position this 78 is present. So you have to find at which number this 78 is present. Clear? So it means, number means n, you have to find here n. Got it? Here A is what? A is what? 3. D is what? A2 minus A1, that is 8 minus 3, that is, you can say, 5. And AN is what? Whose position we want to find out? किसकी position हमें पता लगानी है? 78. So 78 is what? It is a AN. So I think it's very clear now. AN is given to you, D is known to you now, and A also you can take out from this sequence. You have to find n. So again we will use that formula. AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. AN is 78, A is 3 plus n you have to find out minus 1 and D is 5. Got it? Bring 3 to this side, and when you bring 3 to this side it will become negative. It will be 78 minus 3 is equal to n minus 1 into 5. 78 minus 3 is what? 75. So n minus 1 into 5 is equal to 75. Children, 5 is multiplier here, and whenever we have some multiplier, that multiplier always divide other side. If there is plus or minus, sign will be changed on the other side. But if here it is multiply sign, it will be divided other side. If there is divide sign, it will be multiply other side. So there the reverse operations take place. If there is plus sign in between, other side it will become minus. If here is minus sign, it become plus on the other side. Here it is multiply sign, other side it will be divided. Here it is divide sign, other side it will be multiplied. Clear? I hope this thing which I have told you, you will keep in mind always. Whatever the operation is here, that is a reverse other side. Plus and minus, they are twins operation, you can say. And multiply and division, they are twins operation. All the rules for plus and minus go together, and all the rules for multiply and divide, they go together. Clear? So n minus 1 is equal to 75 divided by 5. It come out to be 15. N minus 1 is equal to 15. N will be 15 plus 1, that is 16. So n is equal to 16. Means in this sequence, at 16th number, this 78 will come. Is it clear? Children, today I am giving you question homework for question 4 to 12. So I told you earlier also, some part of the questions I will do in the video, and some other part I will do in Google Meet, so that you become active in for watching the video also and for attending the Google Meet also. Got it? I will not repeat the question, and I will not do all the question in Google Meet, all the question in the video. So half of the question will be done in video, and other half will be done in the Google Meet. Clear? Now come to question number, I am doing question number 6 now, right? In question number 6, the statement is check whether, I am doing here only. Shall I rub? Okay, I am happy. That will be more convenient to you for looking up. Okay. Yes, check whether minus 150 is a term of 11, 8, 5, 2 dot. Children, this question is exactly same as the question number 4 which I have done right now. Why I am telling you this question? Because in this question you have a little very typical one thing, and for that only I am doing this question. Minus 150 is a term of this. It means minus 1, you have to tell the sequence, whether this in this series, in this progression, you have to tell whether minus 150 lies or not. In this progression you have to tell whether the minus 150 will be coming in this sequence or not. So let us see if it is coming, so at what number it is coming. Clear? With that only you will be clear. So it means you have to tell at what number it will be coming, means you have to find n. Got it? Here also n. So minus 150 you will take it as again an, and a is again here, this is minus an, I am writing here, is equal to minus 150, a is equal to 11, d is equal to 8 minus 11, a2 minus a1 na, है ना? It is minus 3 and you have to find n. N means you have to find the position of this minus 150, whether we can give some position or not. Got it? So again same formula, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is again minus 150, a is 11 plus n minus 1 and d is minus 3. Right? Now this 11 will come to this side. Children, here it is plus sign, so it will become the other side, it will become negative. Minus 150 minus 11 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. Minus minus plus, but sign will be of minus, so it is minus 161 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. Again this is multiplier, it will be divided other side. Minus 161 upon minus 3 is equal to n minus 1, minus and minus cut, so you will be getting 161 upon 3. It means n minus 1 is equal to 161 upon 3, but we need to find what? We need to find n. So what will be n? N will be 161 by 3 plus 1, it will go to that side, become plus, right? LCM will be 3, 161 plus 3, come out to be 164 upon 3. Now the typical thing which I wanted to tell you here is at this point only. You have got n is equal to 164 upon 3. N is a position, first position, second position, third position. Have you heard that this particular thing is at 2.5th position? No. We have position is always second, third, fourth, fifth. Means position is always referred as whole number. It comes in the whole number. 7th position, 12th position. It is at 13th number. We never say 13th and half number, right? So it means position of anything can never be in fraction. It is always a whole number. But here you are getting value of n as fraction. Here you are getting n as 164 upon 3. So 164 upon 3 is never at, the position, it can never be the position. So this is not applicable. So if it is not applicable, so we can say that minus 150 is not the term of this given AP. Got it? Yeah, in this given sequence, a given AP, 150 is not the term. Is it clear? So you will do this question also, and this thing should be always clear to you. Position can never be in fraction, it is always a whole number. Clear? Now come to the question number. I have chosen the question number 9, right? In question number 9, statement is given.